So do you know the basics of Kubernetes and are looking for ways to level up your knowledge? Well, operators may be a great first step into more advanced topics in Kubernetes. So what are operators? Operators can be installed on your clusters and provide shared services and add-ons for your developers. This includes databasing, messaging, AI, machine learning, and just about anything else. My name is Braston Henry and I'm a developer advocate at IBM, and we run workshops on advanced Kubernetes topics like operators all the time. Actually, what you're seeing right here is actually a workshop that I just did not too long ago. In this particular workshop, we actually install our IBM Cloud Operator into our cluster. Once we install the operator, we use that operator to spin up a Cloud NoSQL database. Once we have the Cloud NoSQL database, we use our operator to configure our database for use in our application. This is just one of the many workshops we offer in our OpenShift World Tour. Please check out the link below. You'll be able to find free sessions that are specific to your region that are both language and time zone friendly. And you'll get an opportunity to speak to our experts live during the sessions, or get a chance to go back and watch the replays later. And lastly, you'll have access to our OpenShift clusters to try our self-paced labs. Thanks for listening, and look forward to seeing you at our next workshop.